This video is for everyone who believes that vision board does not get real. Then explain this. Then explain this. Explain this to me because if 1 year ago you would tell me कि आपको एक brand new iPhone मिलने वाला है 2026 में, I would not believe it. Never ever. Okay. So if you want to know more about this story, come on, I'll tell you. Let's have a bad talk. So in December 2025, I was preparing for JEE and I really stressed about my 12th board and was really unsure about my MSc CT preparation too. So I was really fucked up in my mind. तो अभी मैं इतनी डिमोटिवेशन में नए साल में तो एंटर कर नहीं सकती थी. So in 2026, I remember it was 2nd of January when I created a vision board and I sticked it in my library, at my home, and it was my wallpaper. Everywhere there was a vision board in front of my eyes. और जब मैं कुछ ज़्यादा दिन तो बचे नहीं थे, तो जब भी मैं बैठती थी पढ़ने के लिए तो सबसे पहले मैं एक चीज़ करती थी कि मैं विजन बोर्ड देखकर मैनिफेस्ट किया करती थी कि हाँ इस 2026 में मुझे ये सब चीज़ें मिलने वाली है. जो कि हर एक चीज़ नहीं मिली, ऑब्वियसली बात है, हर एक चीज़ नहीं मिलती, कोई प्रैक्टिकल हर एक चीज़ नहीं मिलती. सो जब मेरा JEE मेंस का फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट का रिजल्ट आया, द फर्स्ट थिंग आई डिड, मैंने अपना विजन बोर्ड फाड़ दिया. हर जगह से मैंने अपना विजन बोर्ड उतारा, अपना वॉलपेपर चेंज किया एंड आई थॉट दैट विजन बोर्ड शिट इज फकिंग अनरियल. इट डज नॉट गेट रियल एट ऑल. Cut to present. It's June 16 and I have a brand new iPhone which I had on my vision board. You can see it here. जब मैं JEE की प्रिपरेशन कर रही थी तो मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे मोटिवेट करने के लिए मुझे प्रॉमिस किया था कि अगर मेरी JEE में अच्छी परसेंटाइल आएगी तो मुझे आईफोन मिलेगा. बट माँ तो माँ होती है ना. सो मेरी मम्मी ने मेरा उतरा हुआ मुँह देखकर मुझे ये प्रॉमिस किया कि अगर मेरी CT में कम से कम अच्छी रैंक आ जाए, अच्छी परसेंटाइल आ जाए तो मुझे आईफोन मिल सकता है. पॉसिबिलिटी है. वैसे मैं बोलना चाहूँगी इतनी भी अच्छी नहीं है, बट मेरी मम्मी को मुझ पर दया आ गई कि मैंने मेहनत की, 2 साल मैंने आइसोलेशन में अपनी ज़िंदगी बिता दी, तो शी थॉट दैट आई डिजर्व दिस गिफ्ट. सो दिस इज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम माई मदर एंड आई लव माई मदर. थैंक यू मम्मी. I would like to share one more thing. I was depressed in December 2025 was because I never created any memories in that year. 12 months I was just sitting in my library preparing for these exams and I never spent any time with my family, with my friend. I never hung out with my friends in that 12 months. I never joined my family in any event throughout this year. So I was pretty depressed in December because looking at my gallery of 2025 I have nothing except the notes, of course. Right before I created this vision board I made a check and I wrote in it that 2026 is going to be different and this is my year for sure. And I'm going to try new things in every month. And it does got real. I completely forgot about that shit. This is the second time my manifestation is becoming real after 10th standard, of course. So in January, I gave my JEE exam. Then in February, 12th exam. March, I then again appeared for JEE attempt 2, then CT, then I appeared for other entrance exam, and then I got all the results. So this year have been really adventurous for sure. I cried, I laughed, I enjoyed with my friends, with my families, and I shared my happiness with everyone. And I started a YouTube channel which I always wanted to do. And except this, I started posting on Instagram consistently, and then I started learning swimming, and there are a lot more things that I'll be starting in this year. Every month I thought that I'm going to learn new skills or try new things so I can have a little experience this year. जब मैंने बोला कि मैंने विजन बोर्ड फाड़ दिया था, it was because this was the first time I created a vision board. इससे पहले मैंने कोई भी विजन बोर्ड क्रिएट नहीं किया था, so I was completely unsure about if this is real or not. In my mind, I thought that this is something which is hype a little bit and it doesn't work at all. So now I'm pretty convinced it's June and एक चीज़ तो रियल हुई है चलो विजन बोर्ड की. So I'm really happy. अभी पूरा आधा साल बचा है, so I really hope कि उसमें से काफ़ी सारी और चीज़ें सही हो. One advice to you all is create your vision board. Trust that vision board, please. And इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप बस विजन बोर्ड के सहारे रह जाए. Of course not. You have to work hard. No magic happens in one day. It takes time. You have to give time to things. And this is one thing which I learned from my journey of 2 years, that you have to be patient. The most important skill you learn from this journey of preparing for any competitive exam teaches you how to be patient. And trust me, it's very important in your life to learn this skill. So this is my iPhone, and it's a very special feeling holding this phone because I belong to a middle class family, and it's being such an expensive purchase is not common in such household. मेरी मम्मी को बहुत लोगों ने बोला था कि why are you getting her an iPhone, get her an Android or phone under 20k, but my mother made me a promise and she did stood by it and got me an iPhone. मेरी मम्मी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं कमाती, she is just a normal housewife who earned every penny from just a sewing machine. So receiving such a gift from my mother is a really different feeling. I cannot explain the emotions I have right now. So whenever I say I'm grateful to God, I'm very thankful to God, I want to say I'm very thankful to my mother because I've never seen God, but I've seen my mother. So while gifting me this phone, my mother took a promise from me that I'm going to be consistent and serious about my creative journey. So if you want, you can join me on my journey. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. You can check my Insta handle. It's especially in my